SC811 Exactix Mobile. Exactix Mobile is browser-based and compatible with iPhone and Android devices. It does not require the user to download an application and uses the same set of credentials used with Exactix on a desktop or laptop. Just visit exactix.sc811.com using the mobile device's web browser. Then be sure to bookmark the site for easy access. Some features of Exactix Mobile include create new tickets, create and view damage reports, view and filter tickets, check positive response, and close a notice, as well as bulk ticket closeout. Let's take a look at some of these features now available for excavators using Exactix Mobile. Creating a new ticket. To create a ticket, click New Ticket on the home screen. Touch to open each field to enter a response. For those fields in which a drop-down menu is available, begin typing a response to populate possible matches within the drop-down, or scroll the menu for the response needed. If more than one type of work is being performed, select Secondary Work Type to enter the additional work type within this field. If the job site address does not populate within the search results or on the map, traveling directions are required and should be entered within the Directions to Site field. To view the map, select Map at the bottom of the screen. When requesting a roadway to be marked, select the Draw Line tool. Then, touch once at the starting point, continue touching the roadway along the route within the directions specified on the ticket, and finally touch twice to end the marking on the map. The Save icon will now appear on the toolbar on the left side of the map. Select Save, followed by Ticket at the bottom of the screen to go back to the notice form. After inputting all information on the notice, including valid marking instructions, select Save Continue. If a message is displayed stating, "Please correct the highlighted errors," be sure to review and complete the highlighted field. After saving, the user will be redirected to the verification screen. Ensure that all information on the notice is correct and matches the mapped dig site area. Then, select Continue to be redirected to the Affected Service Area screen. Finally, select Send Ticket at the top right of the screen. The ticket will now be sent to the affected service area specified. To review the next steps in the excavation process, click Continue to Steps at the bottom of the screen. To create a new ticket, select Create Another Locate Request from the Actions menu at the top of the screen. To print or download the ticket, select this option from the drop-down menu. Create and view damage reports. Anytime damage is caused to a facility as a result of excavation or boring, it is mandatory that a damage report be filed. To view existing damage reports within the system, select the menu at the top left of the home screen. Then, select Damage Reports. Touch to open an existing damage report. Review the information on the report by scrolling the form, or select Map at the bottom of the screen to view the location of damage on the map. Select Ticket to return to the damage report form. To print the report, select the Print button located near the top of the form. To email the report, select the Email button. Then, choose whether the report is to be sent to the email associated with the account or another email address. Finally, select the Email Damage Report button to send the report. To create a new damage report, select the menu at the top left of the home screen. Then, select New Damage Report. The Reporter Information section will automatically populate with the user's account information. Touch to open each field to enter a response. For those fields in which a drop-down menu is available, the options to be selected are within alphabetical order. Begin typing a response to populate possible matches within the drop-down, or scroll the list for the response needed. To record the date and time the damage occurred or was discovered, select the calendar icon next to the current date and time. Touch on the date in which the damage occurred or was discovered. Next, use the arrows above and beneath the current time and adjust to reflect the time in which the damage occurred or was discovered. Then select Set, and the date and time will be reflected on the damage report form. Answer each question as accurately as possible. If any additional information needs to be added to the report, this information should be added within the Remarks field at the bottom of the form. Click on Map at the bottom of the screen to view the map, ensuring that the mapped area matches the worksite in which the damage was incurred. Select Ticket to return to the damage report form. Then select Save to be redirected to the Confirm Damage Report screen. After ensuring that all information on the report is correct, select Save at the top right of the screen. The damage record number will be displayed at the top of the report. Use the Email or Print buttons to send or print the report. Finally, the user should reach out to the affected facility operator for any necessary repairs to the damaged facility. View tickets created by user, by office, and by company. To view tickets using Exactix Mobile, select Ticket Dashboard from the home screen. Scroll through the list that populates or enter a ticket number within the Filter by Ticket list. The user also has the option to filter by My Tickets, My Office Tickets, or My Company Tickets. The list can further be filtered by selecting Show Completed Tickets at the top right of the screen. The check mark will appear next to those tickets that have already been marked as work completed. Other viewing options. Users can further filter tickets displayed by selecting an option from the drop-down menu at the top of the screen. Selecting Tickets will generate a list of all tickets created within the past 60 days. Selecting Expired Tickets will provide the user a list of notices that will expire within the next 5 days. Selecting the My Tickets on Map option will allow the user to view tickets close to the user's current location. This feature uses the location setting on the device being used and locates any tickets that are within the geocoded area. To utilize this feature, select Current Location. If a pop-up appears stating Exactix.sc811.com wants to know your location, select Allow to enable permissions to use the current location of the user. Tickets near the user's location will now appear on the map and will be highlighted in blue. Use the plus or minus buttons to zoom in and out of the map. Press the Show Map Information for Location button, also known as the Info tool, represented with the letter I icon at the top of the map. Then select one of the blue highlighted areas on the map. Once selected, 2 pop-up boxes that includes a summary of ticket information will appear on the screen. The information available includes street, place, county, ticket number, expiration date on the ticket, responses due date, responses received, work type, work start date, and company name. Select the X at the top right of each pop-up box to close. Select another blue highlighted area to view its ticket specifics, or select Done under the Info tool to stop use of this feature. View tickets on map can be an especially useful tool when on the job site. Locate the ticket associated with the user's current job site by using this feature. Then view the current positive response as shown within the pop-up box. To view the full list of responses, click on the ticket number to be redirected to the Locate notice. Then select Responses. Selecting the Response Status option from the drop-down menu at the top of the screen will allow the user to easily check positive responses on tickets created within the last 60 days. Each ticket within the list will include the number of responses received so far out of the total of number of responses required. Selecting a ticket will enable the user to view the full list of responses on the notice. Simply click Responses at the bottom of the screen. Closing a notice and bulk ticket closeout. When excavation work has been completed on a job site, the excavator is responsible for closing out the notice. To close out a locate notice, select Ticket Dashboard from the home screen menu. Filter the tickets to be displayed to the user's preference using the drop-down menu at the top of the screen. Locate the notice to be closed within the ticket list on the dashboard, or type in the ticket within the Filter by Ticket Number field. Once open, the user will see the Work Not Completed button located above the excavator information section of the notice. The user should then select Click to Toggle, which will open the Confirm Work Not Complete pop-up box. It states you are about to close this locate notice as work complete. This means that no further excavation work is taking place on the job site. If this was a mistake, please click Cancel to go back to the notice. Once closed, you will only have 45 minutes to reopen the notice if closed in error. After 45 minutes, a new locate notice will need to be processed. After reading the message, the user should then confirm that the ticket selected is to be closed by selecting the OK button at the bottom of the pop-up box. The selected notice will be marked as work complete. To close out multiple notices simultaneously, utilize the following procedures. Locate the notices to be closed within the ticket list. Then, press and hold the first ticket. A check mark will appear in the box to the left of the ticket. Check the box next to any other tickets needing to be marked as work completed. The Actions menu will now appear at the top right of the screen. Tap on the three dots next to Actions. Then, select Click to Toggle. The Confirm Work Complete box discussed previously will now appear. After reading the message, the user should then confirm that the tickets selected are to be closed by selecting the OK button at the bottom of the pop-up box. Each of the notices selected will then be marked as work complete. For any questions about using Exactix on a mobile device, be sure to reach out to the SC811 Help Desk. Have a wonderful day.